boom, the Anchor Soundcore right here. This thing is compact, 24-hour battery life, and waterproof. Nice sounding speaker with amazing bass. Boom, boom. Thanks for choosing Anchor. The user guide right here. The simple USB-A to micro USB. Simple charging cable for your Soundcore Anchor. Oh, boom, Anchor Soundcore. You have the audio output right there. 3.5mm auxiliary input. You also have the micro USB for charging. Nice. You have the big buttons right here. Push and hold the power button. Boom, it's pairing. We're paired. This thing's got some nice audio. Anchor Soundcore speaker right here. There we go. You hear that? Oh, yeah. Whoa! The bass. 24-hour battery life, waterproof, so compact. Watch the Anchor speaker. This is wild. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right here. Boom, 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 boom. This is not the cool speaker. Boom, right there. Boom. Yeah, welcome to the street. Boom, boom. This thing hits, guys. Nice little speaker right here. Bluetooth, 24-hour battery life, waterproof. Oh yeah.